Alright guys, so we're going to look at a generator here. You guys know I love these things. They're so much fun. Generally they break when it's raining, snowing, something bad. Had done some work on this thing a while back. Had replaced a control board on it. They hadn't been having it maintenanced, and now they want to, but it's going off on oil failure, I guess, from what I'm being told. Somebody else was out here. Got to get unlocked here to see if we can figure out what the code is, because like I said, I haven't been here for a while. Let's see if we can get this thing opened up. Usually it's this one. There we go. Poor thing's been wore out a little bit. All right. Looks was due in 2020. God, has it been that long since I've done it? It says switch to off. Where's our oil level at now? Always like to check it. Honestly, I don't see nothing wrong with that oil. It looks brand new. Hasn't probably ran but a couple hours. That's what's bad. These things sit out in the weather, and they tend just to go bad sitting outside. I mean, I have two portables, and I've not had one problem with any of them. Here I am. I make multiple videos over these things just breaking left and right. So on auto, it's automatically starting. So that's obviously a problem. If I remember correctly, this was something we had problems with before. It was, it must not be sensing that it has power. So let's go in here to edit, see if we can, or debug, see what we got. Inputs, 246 utility. So it knows it has utility. So why in auto position did it want to start? So we got a problem there. I would need to go through and double check. All these right here, digital inputs. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Each one of those zeros and ones, 1 means on, O means, or 0 means off. That's telling you what's going on. So that's your input. Outputs, we should be nothing. That's just what we got. Displays is just the display of the board itself. See how it lights them all up. And then quiet test. I don't like quiet test. I think it causes more problems than what it's worth. So the question is why does it want to... See, look at that. Now I go to auto and it doesn't want to start. It shouldn't have tried to start to begin with. So do we have a fluke thing going on? Why did it try to start? Sometimes you just really wonder what the deal is with these things. They do kooky, dumb stuff like this. Let's go to alarm log. Low oil pressure. That happened recently. January, if the clock's accurate. Low oil again in November. And then the battery. So it's been having some issues. It wouldn't surprise me if the oil pressure switch is bad. We'll have to put a gauge on here to find out for certain. Let's go ahead and run it manual. Let's go here to status, display, run hours, low oil pressure. Okay,